Hi all, it's Jonathan Pollard from Style Factory, the go-to site for e-commerce platform reviews. In this video, I'm looking at Wix versus Shopify. Stay tuned to find out which of these popular website building platforms is the right fit for you. I'll start with a look at the reasons you might want to use Wix over Shopify, and then move on to the areas where Shopify wins. 1. Wix gives you a lot more templates than Shopify. With Wix, you have hundreds of free templates to choose from. By contrast, Shopify only gives you access to 13 free ones. Although more templates for Shopify are available from the platform's theme store, these can be quite expensive. This greater range of templates means that Wix gives you a lot more say over the look and feel of your website. 2. Wix gives you more website building features. Because Wix started out as a website building platform rather than an e-commerce solution, it gives you a lot more tools than Shopify for laying out your content precisely the way you want to. Wix's drag and drop editor gives you a lot more control than Shopify when it comes to designing web pages, galleries, and forms. Additionally, Wix gives you built-in autosave and revision histories, neither of which you'll find in Shopify. 3. Wix lets you use more product options and variants than Shopify. Product options and variants let you sell products in lots of different colors, shapes, and sizes. While Shopify currently limits you to just 3 product options and 100 product variants, Wix lets you present your products in 6 different options and 1,000 different variants. Now, to be fair to Shopify, it lets you add apps to your store that increase or remove these limits, but you usually have to pay extra to use them. 4. Wix doesn't charge transaction fees if you use a third-party payment gateway. A payment gateway is the software you use to process credit card payments on your store. With Shopify, if you don't use its built-in payment gateway and choose to use another one, like Stripe or WorldPay, you'll get charged transaction fees. By contrast, Wix doesn't apply any charges for using third-party payment gateways, and this can make credit card processing considerably cheaper, especially if you're a high-volume seller. 5. Wix lets you translate your site into more languages. Both Wix and Shopify let you translate your website into multiple languages, but Wix lets you work with more of them. While Shopify restricts you to 20 translations, Wix lets you create 180 different language versions of your website. 6. Wix gives you phone support. Wix gives you access to phone support on all its plans. By contrast, on all of its non-enterprise plans, Shopify restricts you to email and live chat support only. Okay, so that's some of the key things that Wix does better than Shopify. Do leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts of your own on Wix. Next, I'm going to look at the reasons you might want to use Shopify instead. But before I do that, I'd just like to say that if you're interested in using either Wix or Shopify, make sure you check out the video description, where you'll find links to a free forever version of Wix and a special 3-month trial for Shopify. And if you're finding this content useful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you easy access to all our latest e-commerce and web design resources. Okay, let's take a look now at the main reasons why you should use Shopify over Wix. 1. Shopify's e-commerce features are better. Overall, Shopify's e-commerce features are considerably stronger than those available from Wix. Unlike Wix, you can use Shopify to facilitate checkout in local currencies. It gives you a lot more options for setting up a dropshipping or print-on-demand business. And its automatic tax calculation features are much more sophisticated than the Wix equivalents. 2. Shopify templates are fully responsive. Unlike the templates in Wix, all of Shopify's themes are fully responsive. With responsive design, your website's layout will automatically adjust itself to suit the device it's being viewed on. While Wix does let you create mobile-friendly websites, they are not 100% responsive, and the design process effectively involves building 2 separate versions of your site. This can be time-consuming. Additionally, responsive design is preferred by Google, and building responsive websites can lead to better performance in search results. 3. You can switch templates easily in Shopify. If you want to change templates in Wix, you're out of luck. You can't. This means that applying a new site design to Wix involves a total rebuild of your store. By contrast, Shopify lets you change your theme with a click of a button. 4. Shopify lets you sell on other websites. While both Wix and Shopify both let you sell products on your own site, Shopify goes one further and lets you create buy buttons that let you embed your products and product catalogs on other websites. So if, for example, you manage to get an article about your products on a popular blog, with a Shopify buy button, you could make them available for sale immediately on it too. 5. There's a much wider range of apps available for Shopify. Shopify's App Store gives you access to a much wider range of apps and integrations than the Wix equivalent. There are over 13,000 apps available for Shopify, but just 1,200 for Wix. This larger selection lets Shopify users integrate their store with a much bigger range of other online tools and extends the platform's functionality in ways that are not possible with Wix. 6. Shopify's point-of-sale features are more extensive. Point-of-sale features let you sell not just on the web, but in physical locations too, all while keeping your data from online and offline sales in sync. While both Wix and Shopify provide point-of-sale features, Shopify's are much more extensive. With Shopify, you get access to much more point-of-sale hardware and features, and you can use them in more countries too. So that's our take on the key areas where Wix and Shopify beat each other. Let's finish things off with a quick verdict. If you want to create an attractive content site and do some simple selling on the side, Wix wins. It gives you a greater range of templates, far more ways to lay out your content, and easy-to-use e-commerce tools. For more serious e-commerce projects though, Shopify wins. Its multi-currency, drop shipping, and point-of-sale features are all considerably stronger than the Wix equivalents, and ultimately make it the more scalable solution. Of course, the best way to understand which platform is the right one for you is to try them out, and special free trials are available for both. I've put links to these in the video description. I hope you found this comparison helpful, but there's lots more pros and cons of both platforms to discover. You'll find all these in our full Wix versus Shopify blog post comparison, which is available on the Style Factory website. To access this, just Google Style Factory Wix versus Shopify. For all our latest videos on e-commerce and web design, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell. And finally, if you have any questions about Wix or Shopify, do leave a comment below. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.